This is the biggest rookie mistake you can make as an online seller. Accepting that sales just slow down after Christmas and there's nothing you can do about it. Stop it. Get that out of your head right now. It's bad advice and it's losing you money. See, top sellers don't just cash in once or twice over a year over the winter holidays. They try to keep orders flowing all year round by tapping into the right seasonal trends at the right time, including some key springtime celebrations that buyers will definitely be out shopping for. So lock in your next sales bump with these 5 irresistible spring products, starting right off the hop with Easter. If you're out hunting for eggs or just want to surprise your family with something nice, Easter baskets have been the traditional gift option for many shoppers. Except they're clunky, expensive, and tough to reuse. Think about it. When was the last time you said, "Let me grab my basket"? I bet in the time it takes you to remember, I can offer a much better alternative. Easter tote bags. Perfect for stashing both eggs and presents, whether you're a party goer or a party thrower. Especially if they feature traditional Easter imagery like religious themes, bunnies, and chocolate. Or neutral minimalist designs like florals and fun cartoon-style graphics for kids. Of course, if you really want to help them sell, don't skip out on your social media game. Create content that emphasizes how practical and reusable these tote bags are, making them the perfect festive gift even after the festivities are over. By the way, if you already have some products that sell really well in the spring, let me know what they are in the comments. And if you don't, then make sure your store is stocked with the items for this next important holiday. Finding the perfect Mother's Day gift always comes down to 2 choices: getting her something sentimental or something practical. But an item that does both? Now that would be the ultimate prize. That's why we need to talk about throw blankets. They can be a great canvas for heartfelt designs like quotes or personalized messages. Plus, they're incredibly useful as a great way to get warm, cozy, and relaxed. Remember, self-care is a huge niche that gets lots of traffic, particularly among women. So try pairing your design with soft, neutral colors like beige, blush, or lavender. Whatever design you choose, make sure to promote this item as the ultimate gift of comfort. It might not be everything your mom needs, but when it comes to the easiest way to relax, this item is definitely a blanket solution. Although it's not a gifting holiday, showing off green merch is a must on St. Patrick's Day. But green is just the start. The best apparel designs on St. Patty's Day offer a lot more. From traditional iconography like shamrocks, leprechauns, and Celtic harps, to cheeky text-based designs which highlight that famous Irish sense of humor. However, these designs also need to be on items that can double as low-effort outfits. Remember, people don't want to stress about what to wear on this sacred day. They want to focus on the things that really matter, like day drinking. Making specialty hats the most convenient way to show up and stand out, especially since most people spend the day celebrating outside at a parade or a pub crawl. So try marketing these items as great, last-minute, low-effort, and comfortable solution to partying in style. Over on the other side of the world, there's another spring occasion people are shopping for. It's called Holi, or the Festival of Colors, and it's taking the world by storm. Originating from India, you might have seen similar celebrations happening in your own city. It involves folks dressing up in white and splashing each other with bright-colored powders to celebrate, among many things, the arrival of color back into a cold, gray, wintry world. Fun fact, outside of India, the country searching the most for Holi-themed items is the US. So what can you offer someone looking for something white to get messy on a warm spring day? You guessed it, t-shirts. The best part is, designing t-shirts for Holi is incredibly simple. Since other people are going to be splashing colors or designing your shirt for you, simple, bright colored text-based designs that draw people in are all you need. Remember, this is a very social media friendly holiday, so treat these text designs like memes on Instagram, because that's definitely where they'll end up. As spring transitions into summer, many young adults get ready to hit a huge milestone. It's graduation season. which means lots of family, lots of parties, and of course, lots of pictures. That's why a great item to elevate any grad celebration is a customizable photo backdrop. You can find them in our catalog by looking up wall tapestries. This is an item that works incredibly well with personalization, especially when it comes to customizing school names, colors, and graduation years. Plus, since people will stand in front of it, your design won't need to cover the whole print area. As long as they stand out with colors that make for great pictures, that's all that matters. Although, a pro move would be to bundle these items with other graduation props and banners. Then, sell it as a DIY graduation photo shoot kit. That way, you can market it as a great way for folks to save money on professional photos while also creating unique memories at the same time. These trending products are a great start to getting those spring sales rolling. Just make sure you're not counting on only one item or holiday to become your cash cow. The first step is to have as many items covering as many celebrations as possible. That way, you can cast a wider net to reel in more cash overall. After that, the next step is to price your products accurately and competitively. Learn how by clicking on this next video, and I'll see you there.